Good evening and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. This is a special presentation. Tonight we're exploring Native American. On the menu is Three Sisters Stew. This is just a small collection of photographs from today's filming with Rylan. Just some behind the scenes. Enjoy! The Casual Chef Kitchen is all ready to film. This is Rylan, and she's working on her camera. This is the layout for the mise en place. And here's everything ready to start cooking. This is the stew before simmer. Here's Rylan, and she's out of Chico. We simmered it actually on the stovetop. And here's after the simmer. Just getting ready to do the special plating for film. And here's the final presentation. Thank you for joining me here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I hope you enjoyed this special presentation. Have fun cooking.